Hey everyone, today I'm showing you the Easyera RGB wall clock. I've got it set up right here in my bookshelf and I'm going to walk you through all the features using the remote. Let's talk about the 360-degree RGB ambient backlight. As I cycle through these different modes with the remote, you'll see all the different looks it can create. There are 15 time display colors, 8 RGB effects, and 7 solid colors. And then the backlight has 11 different options as well. 5 RGB effects and 6 solid colors. I'm going to flip through a few right now so you can see how it changes the whole vibe on the shelf. And the brightness adjusts automatically based on the room lighting. So it's brighter during the day and nice and soft at night. Now here's the fun. This mode is called music rhythm lighting. The backlight reacts to any sound around it. As I tap or play something near it, you'll see the colors pulse with the beat. Hello, hello, hello. It's perfect for gaming setups, parties, or even just having some ambient movement in the background. One thing I really like about the display is the matte anti-glare finish. Even with the bright lights in the room, the numbers stay super clear. Here I have a glossy finish and there's a distracting shine. Here's a matte, no shine. And you can read it from pretty much any angle. It looks clean on a shelf, on a desk, or mounted on any wall. Everything I'm changing right now is done with a smart remote. It makes it really easy to switch colors, adjust brightness, set the timer, and control the alarms. And the clock stays accurate on its own because it uses Bluetooth time sync. And automatically adjusts for daylight savings time. So once you set it up, you basically never have to touch the time again. This clock also comes with dual alarms. So if you want one alarm for the weekdays and a different one for the weekends, or if 2 people share the space, so you can set completely separate wake-up times, or you could just use one as a reminder during the day. Everything is controlled right from the remote. So now you have both alarms on at the same time, at different times. You can easily turn them off, or you could just have one on at a time. It also has a built-in countdown timer that goes all the way up to 99 hours, 59 minutes, and 59 seconds. I can start it right here with the remote, and it's great for workouts, studying, cooking, or any task where you just need a big, easy-to-read timer. The clock runs on a corded power source, so you never have to worry about batteries. Simply plugged into any wall outlet. It stays bright, stable, and accurate 24/7. It comes with everything you need. It's very easy to hang. It also has all the button options on the back as well. It has the mounting holes. So the cord gets plugged in back here, and then you could hide it using these different options. It also comes with the hanging hardware, the mounting hardware, and as well as the screws and anchors. The easy-to-read manual, and the smart controller with batteries already installed. The controller is very easy to use. Everything's in the manual as well. It has daylight savings time mode. It has the different alarms options. It has the countdown timer, as well as a stopwatch. Different lighting effects, different display modes. Bluetooth mode, so you hit this button and it displays Bluetooth on the clock. And then you can connect it to your phone, which automatically syncs the time, syncs the date, everything, so you don't have to manually do it yourself. It's really neat. It has a auto Bluetooth as well. You could change from Celsius to Fahrenheit. So it's really neat. It displays everything right here on the clock. The day of the week, the time, and the temperature. And that's the Easyera RGB wall clock. Super customizable, very easy to control, and honestly, a really nice looking piece of tech. Especially when you pair it with the RGB lighting on a bookshelf like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.